Emergency situation. You're out of time, you're outscored, you're stuck in the half guard. Guess what? It takes a little bit of time if you go against anybody with any degree of experience how to pass the half guard and then get somewhere. And if you don't have points to catch up, it won't matter anyways. All right, this is my 50 cents, okay? So I have the half guard here. My partner is holding me down. You kind of frame the face, underhook the far arm, stay strong. And here right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin the arm that's near me, put my knee over it, stay strong. As I choke the guy, I keep pulling. Now, wherever my hand is, I'm going to lift and put my knee right behind, stay strong. And here right now, as I keep sitting back, stay strong there. Hold that leg tight, young man. Here, I control the elbow. Look, I'm going to kind of wiggle my head as I do it. Look, leg kicks out. Now the cool part. Your heel goes on the guy's hip and push until what? Your leg is free. Now you go higher on the wrist. Put your leg in position and get to the arm bar. You want to see it again one more time? I'll show you. Can you lie down there, sir, for a sec? So here right now, squeeze your knees, chin pressure, underhook, bend the near arm, get your knee there, pressure on the neck, pull the guy to you, punch behind, lift your knee up, put your leg 2 steps. 1 step, the other step behind, stay strong. When you sit, make sure you control. You have to kind of tilt. Look my body. I tilt back and forth. The more I tilt, look, the easier it is to kick the leg out. Tilt back, get your heel on the hip, push that foot out. Control, stay strong. Now here, slide a little higher. And therefore here, as you keep the tilt, you're going to get it.